Mukhtar Ansari is a mafia and politician from Uttar Pradesh. He has been elected as a member of the Legislative Assembly from the Mau constituency a record 5 times. He was the prime accused in the BJP leader Krishnanand Rai murder case, but later found not guilty in 2019. Mukhtar Ansari is the grandson of Mukhtar Ansari, an early president of the Indian National Congress. In the early 1970s, the government commissioned several development projects in the backward provincial area. This resulted in the rise of organized gangs that competed with each other to grab the contracts for these projects. Mukhtar Ansari was originally a member of the Makanu Singh gang. In the 1980s, this gang clashed with another gang led by Sahib Singh over a plot of land in Saidpur, resulting in a series of violent incidents. Brijesh Singh, a member of Sahib Singh's gang, later formed his own gang and took over Gazipur's contract work mafia in the 1990s. Ansari's gang competed with him for the control of the superscript 100 crore contract business, which spanned areas such as coal mining, railway construction, scrap disposal, public works, and liquor business. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.